And welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. As we have seen, the silver price is currently trading around $80.4420. Okay, silver is sitting at a critical level right now, and the next 48 hours could decide whether we see a silver is going high side or it is on the consolidation side. Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about 15 minutes chart, 2 hours chart, and then finally we'll analyze the daily to show you exactly what to expect and the key levels you should be watching here. On a 15 minutes chart, we can see the price is showing a downside. If you see, overall trend is towards downside. Okay, and the price is currently trading around $80.485. This is the trend. We can see a pattern is created here. Okay, showing that if the price started going below 79.4, a further fall can be seen towards 76.9. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall can be seen. An overall trend is downside if you see from this perspective, but if it started sustaining above a level of 81.6, a further upside can be seen and chance of crossing 82.64 is there. And once the price sustain above 82.6, we can see the trend is supporting higher side. It will move towards 82.6. From there it can move towards 84.5 and then a further high can be seen. Okay, now you have to look at this particular chart, because see, on the 15 minutes particular chart we have seen that the price is continuously downside, but if it keep moving above a level of around 82.4, this trend will break towards an upside, so we can see there can be a further high. At this moment silver is moving in a tight consolidation zone after a recent move, as we have seen, and the moment we have seen the volatility is high, but it is on the downside. Okay, it usually lead because we have seen it has not made a very big movement. Okay, buyers are still trying to push prices and sellers are defending resistance. Coming back on a 2 hour chart, where you will see how the price is moving on the 2 hour chart basis. See, I'm trying to explain it very easy, and I'm making a short video so that you at least understand, and so you'll get a more clarity how the price of silver is moving. If you see on the 2 hours time frame, we have seen the real direction towards overall trend. We can see there is a downside. If you look at this trend, the price is moving in this particular manner. Okay, look at this trend. We have seen the price is moving in this particular manner. This is the trend we can see. Okay, it is trying to form a flag pattern if you see this trend, and chances can be high if it keep moving below a level of around 79.2. We can see this trend will break toward downside and can move towards 77.2. Then this trend line could make a downside movement and chance of going towards 74.3 to a level of 71.7. After 72.3 we can see a level of 71.2, and from there we can see it will move towards 64.8. This is an important level, so it will break toward downside, and these are the support which I mentioned you can touch. Okay, but if it so trail your SL by around $1 if the price fall below this level, but if it keep moving upside it can touch a level of $81.9. From there it will move towards a level of 84.2. From there a level of 87.6, and if the price going above this level, probability of touching 90 is there. If once the price going up that level, we can see a level of 91.5, which is a weak level, and from there it will move towards 96.6, and then a further upside can be seen. Trailing your SL by around 1 or $1.5 is very important if the price sustain above $81.8. As you can see in this chart, there is a probability of upside. Coming back on a daily chart, but before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical works. Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, on the daily chart we can see clearly that the silver price has a strong move recently. Okay, and a pullback if you see from this particular zone, chances are very high. See, this is the zone we have seen a pullback, but after touching a high of around 96, it is continuously on the downside. Okay, this is a daily chart. As you can see, there is a strong trend. Market didn't move straight, but it is moving in a wave. Okay, so right now silver is in the consolidation phase. So what we can see in this chart, as you can see, the price has not made a sharp move from 2 days. Okay, Now suppose if it started sustaining this level, the next level is 81.6, which is an R1, and if the price going above that level, we can see a level of 82.5, which is an R2. Suppose if the price sustaining above that level, a probability is very high that it can move towards $85.14, which is an R3, and if the price going above that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards 87.5, okay, which is an R4. So remember that trailing your SL is very important by around 1 to $1.5, and a further upside can be seen. And if the price moving out this level, probability will be high, it will cross $90, and chances of touching a level of 91.4 to a level of 94.5, then to a level of 96.4. okay, because if you see this trend, this is a particular trend is forming. So if the trend breaks towards upside, that is, you can say if it started crossing above 86, there is a higher chance of crossing 89 will also be there. From there it can move towards 94 to a level of 96.4 will also be there. Okay, so chances will be very high it will cross that level, and it can touch a level of 103 also. But if the price started coming down, it can come down towards $79.5, which is a weak level. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, we can see it will further fall towards 77.7, which is also a weak level. Okay, and if the price going below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 74.4. okay, that is also a weak level, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of going towards $71.4 can be seen, and then it will move directly towards, after 71.4, a 70 level. From there it will go directly towards 74.4, because see, if you look at this particular trend, this is the trend forming and a pattern is created here. Okay, so chances are very high if it breaks below a level of 77.8, this trend will breaks toward downside, and chance of going towards a level of 76.8 will be there, and a sharp fall will be there towards $72, and then it will go directly, because a level of around 70.7 is a weak level, then the probability of going towards 64.5 will be there after crossing this zone. Okay, so trail your SL by around $1 or $1.5, which is very important, so at least you will capture downside movement as well as upside movement. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, there are geopolitical tensions will be there, US dollar strengthening will be there, market sentiment, which can increase or decrease the price of silver. If you want to understand how the geopolitical events affect the price of silver, you can mail me, and then we can work out on the timings. Okay, so bullish scenario, I've explained you that if it goes above 86, we can see this trend can break toward upside, but if it started going below $78, a further fall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you need too much